Carbon steel for dependable, long-life blade that stays sharp. Comfort edge blade for smooth cutting, can be zero-gapped. Deep tooth blade design feeds more hair. Replacement for model ORL, Cordless T-Outliner Li trimmer. T-blade trimmers, like the Andis T-Outliner, are favored by barbers for their ability to cut crisp outlines and designs. The GTX T-Outliner deep tooth blade allows longer hair to feed through the blade faster and can be used for light fading. Trimmers used with attachment combs are perfect for beard maintenance. Andis Company has been crafting professional-grade tools since 1922. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what I was looking for. This product was exactly what I was looking for to replace my original blades. They arrive sealed in an OEM box, so you can tell they're authentic. These are the deep teeth blades and are extremely sharp. Very satisfied.